Hello, my friend. This is Linda from Linyi Youyuan Electric Bike Factory. Let me show you around our factory. This is our office. And you can see that this is our finished e-bike area. You can see here we have the different model about the electric bike and motorcycle. When you come to visit us, then you can test for the e-bike. It's very convenient. And now let me show you around for our CKD area. Because we are professional for the electric bike CKD, some customers want to load more e-bike in the container to save the ocean freight, so they will prefer to do the CKD. You can see that. We will make a very clear boom list for you, and will with the remark. You can see. For the spare part, we will be checked for 3 times. For first time is the factory to confirm, and the second time we will confirm for you. The last time is when the container will be ready to delivery. We will be make another sticker for you to check in the boom list. This is for our old customer, because usually in Indonesia, customer will be preferred for the CKD. You can see. Now let me show you around our half-finished e-bike. This also is for our old customer. He already ordered for more than 1,000 for this order. Now this is just part of the e-bike. It's still on the production. You can see the e-bike with different color, and the color is customized. You can choose for your favorable color as you like. You can see red, green, white, and dark blue. Also the black. We are professional for the loading, so for the container, we will calculate the max can load. Then you can save the ocean freight. Let me show you for the finished. This is in the package, the finished e-bike. You can see. For the e-bike sticker or the color, and for the cutting the logo, all can customize for you. So if you want to advertising your brand, you can tell us your logo, then we will be make for you. Not only for the two-wheel electric bike, we also produce for the electric motorcycle. You can check for that. This is the model what our customer like it. You can see our customer not only prefer to load for the CKD, also is for the SKD. You can see that we have the two production line. For this line is for the electric motorcycle, and for this line is for the two-wheel electric bike. This is our new factory. It's the second factory. We have the old factory. It's in another place. Also, about 10 minutes will be arrived. For that factory, we also produce is for the two-wheel electric bike or the three-wheel electric tricycle. Because some of our customers also prefer to produce for the tricycle. Because for now is the lunch time, so some workers is for the lunch. Yes, you can see that for this is for the handlebar, and here also we will connect for the wire. So please check for that. For here you can see that this is for each production step. Here is for the frame, and for that is for connect the wire, and for here is for the finished e-bike. For here is for the frame. We will be putting the bags so that for the frame will be protect well. Otherwise, it will. This is for the frame. Also here is for the spare part, because here is the spare part, very convenient to produce in that part. For each spare part, we have the request area, so that for the worker will not make the mistakes, and also very easy to check for the quantity. By the way, I will introduce you for this part. You can see this part. Yeah, this frame is for the motorcycle, because I have introduced you that we not only do the CKD, also for the SKD. And this is for our customer. He already ordered 4 container for the motorcycle. It's usually load for the motorcycle is the 40 HQ. When you first order for the motorcycle, you can first to do the SKD, and after several container, you are professional, then we will recommend you for the CKD. Because for the CKD can load more. SKD, like for the JW, it only can load for 100, but for the CKD, it will be load for 150. So you can choose the e-bike type according to your need. wish that we will have the chance to cooperate together. And if you have any questions for the e-bike, maybe you can tell me, then I will give you suggest. This is Linda from Linyi Youyuan e-bike factory. Thanks for your time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.